All right, you're welcome back. Yes, you're welcome back. All of us today for inside the studio. But one person don't join us now. Let's hear now. Who will the person will join us now?
A person. We get a very, very specific person. Person of plenty colors on top of her head, you. And a Port girl, when they call Lameli in the building. How far are you there?
I do. As I did here, I did cool now. It's very hot outside.
Oh.
Thank you.
How do they say sorry for Port Harcourt?
No, sorry now.
No,
Sorry, now.
language, like language. Oh, you not come from there?
No, I not come from there, Abibu.
What if you're full?
Okay, since you be Igbo, then you will need to put her mouth and everything inside this next story where we get for today.
Okay, yes.
All right. So let's go then.
Yeah,
Now, you know, say they're easy for you to get truly responsible man, but sadly, most girls, they know they appreciate them when they get one. Now, this is not the story of one 29-years-old Edo indigene. And she thought say she don't date an Igbo man from Anambra. And according to her, she said, we dated for 6 months. And my friend, they continually tell me, make I leave him. But make I leave him because Igbos, they know they marry anyone who not come from their tribe.
Close to it.
She said, I not listen to them. I went ahead to date him, but I refused him touchlight. He said, then he can't promise me marriage, and we can't touchlight. After he promised me marriage, I can't decide to touchlight. Beautiful.
No, it's not idiots.
She come from aside and say, I didn't know that he get another woman way in the sea. Now, he don't dump me, and he don't go marry this other woman, and I don't know what to do. He said, this guy, they live opposite my house. Do I pack out from my place and go back to another state, or make I remain for there because I dey live with my brother? Now the question where they actually ask. Now, plenty things there for inside this one. Number one, Igbos not the married person where they outside their place. Say that they actually marry you where come from Igbo land. And number two, they ask whether she come up for the house or she not come up for the house. So plenty things for us to discuss. Let us start. Let us kick the ball running. Now, as an Igbo girl, where you be?
You know that bag me.
You know,
Did she say the truth or not?
From what I see, I believe saying the thing I just crush what they get.
Okay.
Because now neighbor they live close to you and they see each other every day and you know. Me, I see them. Yeah, I see them as crush.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Not be
be neighbors. How come you know say the man gets person for in life?
Is she blind?
You know, yeah. Thank you. She dey blind. I beg, and that's number one. Igbo. No, not because I'm from Igbo. She understand. I don't see plenty Igbo they marry outside now.
Are you serious? Because I did plan to marry an Igbo man, so I need to just know whether I stand the luck, whether I stand
Igbo men out there.
No, be true. No, be true. Maybe the girl.
Well, if you
they talk out of anger or
not be out of anger for me. I don't get opportunity to date like plenty Igbo guys, but because of that OT, I don't get opportunity. I'm sorry, I'll be fine, girl. I don't get opportunity.
You see, tell me, not true, because I'm very interested.
I don't agree because the orientation, I would say, they always tell anybody where I'll go out with. Now, person where I don't see potential, say we go feel marry ourselves in case anything happen. Say okay, tomorrow they ask me, say you feel marry this person? Yes, I go feel marry. But when you can't be Igbo, brother. Sorry, because now the orientation where I don't get from my head, be say no matter how they date you, they go back to village. Like when they say that they go home for Christmas.
But not be only Igbo people.
No, well, now one way I know, now it's how they tell you that.
Don't destroy my opportunity. Hey, Igbo people, please now. Defend yourself. Defend yourself, please. Come out and tell me. Is it true? Please talk to me, Amaka.
No. I know they defend anybody.
Okay.
Some parts of Igbo, parts of Igbo they do, but not be all. When you say Igbo, if you look at
which part? I need to be very careful.
I don't go specify.
I need to be careful of the part where they do one, please. I want to marry
because when you say the parts, the people even in that part, not be all of them, they accept them.
Okay.
Because I know of a particular people, if you hear say they won't marry from the papa or the pikin, say she won't marry from the other states. The papa go say God forbid batty, it no go happen. Say I no go agree with, then go stand on their foot, say like just as they know they agree make person marry Osu. Now so these people then go, in fact they just believe that they're safe alone. You're supposed to marry. If you come out from that state trouble. So not be all Igbo.
So it's not true, Abi?
I don't say it's not true. I said not be all of
Just
them.
say it's not
so just
true.
be.
We wait till happen now.
You feel
Another
me?
thing
Igbo
inside the
man.
matter.
See, may I give you the good part of
Tell
Igbo
me,
man.
yes, tell me.
Then they love their woman die.
Hell!
Now if the yellow be that, Igbo men they like yellow white. If you don't bleach, they don't be married. Igbo men.
After loving, they go make sure say if they feel wear battery slippers, they waka go left and
I go
right.
dey wear
But
gap
you
emoji.
must to tie George. Must to tie gele, the most expensive
Igbo men, I'm coming.
Anything wey dem get.
I am coming.
Then, last but not the least, dem go make sure say their woman, mosquito, anything, wey touch their woman skin.
Touch you.
You dey carry mosquito net.
You go dey front, dey waka, then go dey back, dey look you, make sure say nothing happen to your wife.
I am
Igbo
going
men
there.
who
Yes,
is
so
available.
if you believe say Igbo man dey come your way, say amen.
Amen.
Thank God somebody was
But I beg,
I loud
Let me
inside
to
the
go.
studio. But for me, this whole issue of say you follow man, the man who marry you, go village, go pick wife, it dey everywhere.
Yes,
not
no be just
only
Igbo.
Even though say the one way plenty people know for outside now mainly Igbo, but other tribes they do them as well. And you go just they pray to Baba God, they say the one way you meet, no go be the person way go use you dump you. But for the girl, then they always they talk something. They say if you want shit, go far from your house so you no go smell enter your compound. You won't do nonsense. You can't decide say now your neighbor, now you want follow, and you know if you come down with sense. Say he promised you marriage, now you can't open for him. So
He
you
give her
enter,
ring
enter
now.
the promised land. Which kind
He
of
give
ring?
her ring.
Now
He
so,
say, will you marry me?
Orisha family use person do Lord of the Rings, so 5
5
years,
years.
ring, no marriage. I take us back and I make una dey use una
This girl
brain
really
if you want to do something. And then on the other hand again, they talks about that make she move out. You move out, you don't move out. Who know you go still know you? Human being be like water. One day, person go see you say, bros now no marry again. You go that explanation
You
you go
go
run
start.
from. You go still answer them. So for me, I go say face your fears. Yes, then go talk about you, but after a while, person go do the one way was past your own, and your own matter go die down. Then as for you, when you
You
want
dey
marry
fight
Igbo
woman.
man,
Of course, yeah, I don't have a problem with it.
Igbo people say they use their wife, they do.
Don't-
I don't go talk past like that.
Yes,
I don't go talk past like that.
Amaka told me that an Igbo man will not allow mosquito bite me.
Yes.
Say if woman go wear slippers, me I go dey drive limousine.
They deceive yourself.
I trust you. My producer is telling me that nothing go bite me. Mosquito not go bite me.
The producer wey they tell you, don't ever buy you pure water.
No, don't worry, they come. They come. All right, for me, just the particular thing where I pick from that story be say, she said because the man promised her marriage, the man thought say I go marry you. Now
And
make
she
her
open promised
now make her
land.
call open promised land. Make the man enter inside. The man not even miss you that he enter promised land well.
He parks.
This girl
He leave motor for there. He can't say leave this one. I don't die. I'll go down another for
Not the
outside.
promised land when you go, you not go and come back again.
But
The
this
man
one, he come
go,
outside.
He come back. You understand?
That is not be promised land.
No, na promised land.
The promised land no go come outside.
Na promised land. But girls, we need to take am easy because these men are sugar coated.
Yeah.
Their tongue, they fit give you ring, they fit go buy diamond ring, put them for your hand, just for them to enter that promised land. And when they enter, they still say the promised land is not really promisable.
no be wetin dem
They
expect.
push come out. So you have to be careful. You need to make up your mind, say you want to release that thing before you release am. Not because say the man put ring for your finger. You just have to be careful.
Not because if na Igbo man wey no go let mosquito bite you.
In Amaka's words.
For me, I not believe say an Igbo man go one actually see person like me and decide say one go back to the village to marry another Igbo girl. It's not actually possible because Amaka don't clear that particular one. But you were there if you want clear one for me to really understand them well. But if you know say they get some parts for Igbo land where be saying that they do this
They
kind
no
of
dey gree
badness,
make-
just tell me so that I can stay away from that part.
She go tell you
Walk
from
off on
behind
that
the
part. Okay, I go tell you after the camera
I
close.
close. Queen Bee, where will they go?
All right, now make we watch Lamili video because we no fit explain wetin our eye dey see. The colors are striped.
Lamili.
Rainbow.
Make we go there.
We
Producer,
gonna
carry
leave
us.
From the lead temple. Which girl?
That's good.
No, she
Igbo
don't need
girl.
this song
Igbo
because if
girl.
she listens to this song, she go miss.
She wanna love you tonight.
I wanna love you.
love you
Hey,
tonight.
baby, enter the place. Baby, I want you. I don't understand. Are you a lovist?
love is like
Wait,
Amaka.
let her explain to you what love is.
Who know the love? Who know the love now?
I know the love.
Okay, Abeg, explain to us
What is love?
How you take
Please bring down the music.
calm down.
Somebody wants to explain to us what is love.
Oh yeah, wetin be love?
Hey, my God. I just sung a single. I don't find anybody.
but-
I don't
but-
find anybody for mine when I sing.
No,
Just
no,
sing
just
down.
you personally. So how you take see love? How you go
Wetin be
describe
No,
love?
Amaka, no confuse her
Wait,
first.
Amaka, just
Your own love, they
And they
different.
look silly.
Oh yeah, tell us.
Love.
I'm love na something no sabi.
Wait,
Oh. No, talk now.
No,
yes,
your
yes,
own
yes.
love.
I'll help you.
Love. I won't speak English.
English.
Iyala.
Love is caring. Love is trust. Love is.
Okay, but Abeg, I want to explain this kind of love for you.
Okay.
Love is caring and trust. Because you trust the man, on una wedding day, he carry you go altar.
Hey, Jesus.
Listen,
No,
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 for
wait.
example,
Listen, I will tell you
he
why.
carry you go altar.
Yeah.
You don't dey altar, dey wait for am, but he no show up. Then he come meet you for house, say, Lamili, my reason be say, I dey fear. I don't know whether na you be the person or I never ready to marry.
But now,
Stage
but
Which
now
kind
I
of
don't
that?
ready.
Wait, wait,
No,
wait.
but now I don't ready.
But now I don't ready. Which kind of
Sure, and you said
You
don't
go
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 say
back.
na true talk.
Amaka, quiet, wait.
No, she don't give me this thing. But true now. Maybe if they get
You go take 'em
second thoughts. I go take them back if I love them.
Hey! Amaka don't get sister.
Oh my gosh! I go take them back because it happened.
As an negotiable babe that I am, you don't go get the opportunity to come to
I mean,
me.
you don't say the first question when I ask you after them play that video now whether you be love this, but now you don't need to answer the question.
I love this.
So when I don't marry and maybe you come born pikin, the man come out for like 2 weeks.
So you know sure whether you're ready to
When you
be
don't come back, because
and become father.
Lamili and Amaka, I'm very sorry. The thing is that I
No,
dey
now,
fear.
no. If it happen twice, I'm gonna say something.
But why you go wait for it to
understand.
happen twice?
No, on wedding day, they happen sometimes. You know, some people they feel they happen.
Ah, Jesus Christ.
No, no.
Lamili,
No, true.
you are in the spirit. You know what in me. Is it
Okay,
is
Lamili, let's talk about your video. Let's talk about your video.
Wait, make her talk first.
Let's talk
You
about
know,
her
see when
video.
Lamini, when you ask her what be love, she first thought love is caring. Love they deeper than that.
I think she mentioned something.
You listen, at least you listen to
I
her.
think she mentioned
I tell you that
something.
say love
She
gets
said a
everything. Everything they say.
She said
you
to
listen
us,
to her video.
her definition
listen to
for
her
love,
video.
wait, Amaka. She said to us, her love definition is a feeling you can't explain.
Lami go support, no worry, not the same thing. But Lami,
Yes.
let us go on. Okay.
Igbo sisters.
Yeah, I see where you're coming from.
Igbo,
So that the
we don't
ministry
suffer.
will go.
Make we talk about you as an artist, abeg.
Okay.
We not say the musical industry. For women to actually blow,
Yeah.
to succeed inside this industry, they're very, very
difficult,
tight.
yeah.
So how it don't be for you? If you say the road don't open for you, it's still tight.
I'm not gonna talk say it dey tight because no be so it dey before. It's not been really easy, yeah. Because I don't start tete. They do my live band. They go all over Nigeria. I just decide to go solo. They call them to start to record my own song. Because I don't tire to sing other people's songs. I want people to recognize me with my own songs. Never take sha. Yeah. So I go talk say I dey middle.
Okay.
Yeah, remain those few steps. To dey there.
But for live, but what's different from somebody to be live band and why you want still become an artist now? Because I feel say for the live band you get more push. So why not stick to the?
So do you like?
I
why
actually
not stick
actually do my live band thing like when I get show.
Okay.
It depends on your money, on your pay, yeah.
Okay.
And I will call my people, which
Okay.
10, you know. And I actually prefer live band because it brings out, they bring out the real you and it add more color, you know, to the show. And doing live band, the show will be real artists, you know. You know your,
Like that fake artist.
yeah, you know. Not everybody sabi sing.
Yes,
You know, for studios,
I understand why
you
she
correct
talks
a lot
about
of things.
Performers and singers.
Yes,
Yeah.
because I understand what you talk. Live band sometimes they go sing your song, you will sing am more than you will sing. So somebody go say, oh, when that girl they sing that song, I will play it for me. Okay, we even prefer the live band because most of them don't even fit perform for stage.
Yeah.
They're like waiting our music artist director talk yesterday. He said they use opportunity to use waiting people they feel, take sing. No be say they really know waiting. But live band, I think they did different from artists, the regular artists.
That's not the live band we know it's they do. Because I don't see live band where they say that they do rubbish.
No, yes, so we'll take body card. Make you link to body card now.
All right, we say. It did the video won't play. Yeah. But say avocado pear don't they everywhere. Lamely, I don't know whether you like them. Avocado pear.
I like
the green one.
Yeah.
How often?
The green one.
Yes.
I like the ripe one.
The green one.
The green
right.
ripe
You say get the tiny one, then you get the they call that one pear.
Ube, yeah. Ube.
And a pear they call that one. All right, Moku watch this smash. Give me video. We they come back. Okay, my people, we don't come on top of Talk. Today will be Wednesday. Yes, when I know see every Wednesday and Friday now we they bring you body kajad. But today on, we don't notice say for town, avocado pear don't full everywhere. If you know what's in the talk, you yourself go know say idea on point. But not be just to eat avocado like that, na be the cocoa. Some people don't even know what's in it mean. But I tell you, if you want to eat avocado pear, it get different ways where you fit eat them and you go enjoy them with your family. This one na homemade butter from avocado. You will get the avocado pear, cut them into two as you watch for the video. That seed where they inside, if you want to use all the avocado, put them inside water. The seed, put them inside water. Make sure say they inside water till you eat waiting you want to eat for the avocado. You know why? Now another logic say if you throw them before you eat the avocado pear itself, the avocado go black. But if you put the avocado seed inside water till when I don't chop finish, the time where you want wash plate, you throw them, it go still dey green. You know, say you don't cut the avocado pear, put them inside plate so you go fit mash them together. But if you get that small mortar for house, I tell you, say you dey on point. What you guys to do? Put the avocado pear inside that mortar. Use the mortar, that small one, take mash and make everything just dey like paste. Put them for one plate. Then you go cut your onions, cut your tomato, and if you want use cucumber. Keep the cucumber for side. No peel inside. You just cut them round. Keep them for one side. All right, now you go get your bread. That bread, if you want toast them, it dey allow. If you want eat them like that, fine. But I say because of children, when they try to make them eat vegetables, I go say make you toast them. When you don't toast the bread, carry that butter. That one and the avocado pear where you don't press. Put small salt inside. Put small black pepper, make it for taste well for the pikin mouth or your own mouth. Rub the butter, that's the avocado butter, for on top of the bread. Arrange them like that. Put the tomato, put the onions on top, and put for the other side. Cover them together, and you done ready gidigba for you to chop. Not just chop your avocado pear. Make them spicy because for kitchen you must be very, very creative. Now, what I carry can give you this on top of body casual in case you get any question. Make you go at Talk Wazobia for Twitter. Make you ask more questions because we dey here to answer for you. Bye. Another way to...
No, thank you very much.
Another healthy sandwich.
Thank you.
Okay, finally, time to the other side again, Lamely. We want to ask you, who would they expect you to do collabo with? Because we know so many people now, when they won't actually come out, they go do collabo with person. So who be the people on your list for collabo?
I don't actually do one. I feature Timaya for Radical. Yeah, so and the video will soon come and go. They shoot the video this Sunday. Wow. And
you don't call us for video.
And you don't call us for the back
we know fit for vixens. Who's having
I
actually can't twerk.
Mind.
Ooh, okay.
And I know Satimaya like my...
Okay, after we'll talk. After
we'll talk, yes.
Then I dey plan to feature Yemi Alade for one of my songs.
Yeah.
I get that a lot. You know, people they tell me this in place.
But I get to say it's just that
radio station where I go. People just say that Yemi Alade. My poster day there. They even bet. One can say, hey, come see the artist. I mean, she didn't say I can't give my money. So I want to do a collab with her. So they get that thing a lot all over the place. So I don't enter last show when I play for Port Harcourt. I climb stage, crowd they shout, yeah, me, I like this.
How do you feel?
Well, I just say no. I just, play with them and introduce myself.
This now,
I tell them, say now my sister in the industry. So I want to do a collab with her, to tell people this is the difference. This is me.
Thank you so much. Say you enter our studio. Thank you very much. And we hope to go get you when you don't drop the video with Timaya. Yes, thank you so much. And Queen B, thanks so much for that for the kajad. All right,
I go throw my cocoa of the day. Make una follow am on top Twitter. Yes, muna follow cocoa of the day on top Twitter. And sharply, as for family day, how una think say it dey okay to get house help? Because lately we don't hear different type of wahala on top house girl, internet house girl, this one house girl. Where be the better place when I think say they okay to get house girl?
All right.
Yes.
Bye-bye. We love you. We love you, princess.
As we dey always dey talk.
To talk no be bad thing, but make you know what you talk about.